Hello, this is Mama Lulu. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my charcuterie board. I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be. So if you think that I'm doing it wrong, saying it wrong, I don't care. This is my style. Idiots. Oh, by the way, thank you to Ro. His company. He gave this to us. We will tag him in the caption. Today, I will choose this one. Because the two, it reminds me of your father. I will cry. This is the salami, the prosciutto, different cheeses. It's very beautiful. All around the corner. Don't ask me what this is because I don't know really. Then I will roll it and then put it there like a cigarette like that. Meat is meat. So sometimes I don't know what did I put on my mouth. Sometimes not your father. Put all the meat. Circle of life, a meat flower. For those people who said that it's not healthy, Mama Lulu, it's not healthy, I don't give a shit. I'm almost 70 years old, think I give a shit? I think this is the prosciutto. We will put the middle of the Copacabana. This is very thin shit. People say it's ugly, at least you can eat it. It's not your face. For the cheese, we have the Jack in the Box, the white cheese, the Asian cheese. We'll just design this on the middle of the cleavage. I don't like it colonized, I like it separate. Meat is meat, cheese is cheese. 4 each maybe. I'm not a big fan of white. I like melanin. It's okay because we are on equality. For the Filipino part, sky flakes. 2 lines in here. Part it in 3. Now we will line this up over here. Looks like we're making a stairs. We use the sweet tamarind. This is the spicy kind. The middle of the meat. Tamarind and put it in the middle of the meat. Sweet, salty, sour, hopya. This is the ubi kind. We'll stack them here, okay? You know, some people use nuts. Sinugba. Banana crackers from the Philippines. It's sweet, it's nutty. Here. This is my charcuterie. It is ugly. For me, it's beautiful. I really don't know how to do the charcuterie board. I only do this for me because Apple is traumatized. People who says that, Mama Lulu, you're so dirty. What about the children watching? Just like the song that J-Lo sang using Meghan Trainor's voice. I ain't your mama.